If you need to update OneDrive on your Windows computer, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. Keeping OneDrive updated is important because it helps you get the latest features, better performance, and important bug fixes. It can also help keep your files syncing properly between your device and the cloud. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, look at the Taskbar notification area in the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon there. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Next, in the OneDrive window, look for the gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click the gear icon and then choose Settings from the list. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can check information about the app and access different options. Now go to the About tab. This section is useful because it shows your current OneDrive version. Checking the version first helps you confirm whether your app is up to date or if it needs to be refreshed with the latest installer. If your version is already current, then you may not need to do anything else. If OneDrive is outdated, you have a couple of options. You can click the version link if it appears and go directly to the official download page, or you can open the Microsoft OneDrive download site yourself in your browser. From there, download the latest OneDrive installer. Make sure you only use the official Microsoft site so you know you're getting the correct and secure version. After the installer finishes downloading, open the file and run it. The setup process should update OneDrive automatically. In many cases, the installer will repair or replace the old version and install the newest build for you. Just follow the on-screen prompts and allow it to complete. Once the update is done, OneDrive may restart by itself. If it doesn't, you can close and reopen it manually from the taskbar. Then check back in the settings if you want to confirm the version has been updated successfully. And that's it. You've updated OneDrive using the official method. It only takes a few moments and it helps keep your file syncing experience smooth and reliable. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.